My name is Amin Khoury. I'm a project executive at Shapiro Duncan. I've been in the industry for 18 years and with the company for 14 years. Design build is a project delivery method in which one entity is responsible for both the design and the construction of the project. Having both the design team and construction team as one entity just enhances communication. Also, it's a far less adversarial process for the owner. The owner doesn't have to manage the design team on one end against a construction team. It's one team moving forward to deliver for the owner.
What is it in reality? It's encouraging communication, it's encouraging collaboration, it's encouraging teamwork between the design team and the construction team, as opposed to having two separate contracts with the owner, one for design and one for construction. It's a single contract, so everybody's on the same team.
I've been at the company a little over 21 years, and I'm one of the original members, actually, the special projects team, the design build branch of the company. A lot of the experience that we've developed over the years has also then been converted into things like internal training. We've created our own curriculum based on the experiences that we have. We have DBIA project managers, we have engineers on staff, we have superintendents and foremen and technicians that have been fully enveloped in what it is to work on design build projects.
The design build method allows for a faster project delivery. The term fast tracking is used to describe being able to accelerate different parts of the project in order to make progress more quickly.
We assist the owner at managing their goals. We don't have a secondary party or an intermediate party, so that also marries nicely with scheduling. When you start eliminating contractors through that process, your scheduling then becomes shorter. Administrative processes don't take as long to work through.
You can start construction while design is still taking place, and it reduces a lot of risk for the owner by essentially putting the responsibility for an outcome on the design and construction team.
We're willing to take on that risk because of our experience and because of the way that we've set our project teams up. We're able to learn from those experiences and get better, as time moves forward.
Budget management is a lot easier for the owner. Since you have one vested team doing both design and construction, the owner has a lot more insight into the costs early on and is able to make changes more readily with that information. The possibility exists for reduced change orders. Assuming the owner can clearly articulate and include all of their requirements, the risk is then shifted on the design builder to deliver on those requirements and use their expertise to reduce the possibility of change orders.
I'll speak direct with owners representatives. I can then pick up the phone and talk directly to our engineer of record. While this is occurring, my superintendents are here on site. I can bring them up to speed at the very same time. So we're able to maintain a bit of a quicker workflow.
Hi, my name is Scott Horskamp. I'm a senior foreman for Shapiro Duncan, mechanical contractors. I've been in the trade approximately 40 years and about 30 years with Shapiro and Duncan. Using design build out here is beneficial for a lot of reasons. One of the biggest luxuries that I feel we have is that we're able to interact with the engineers on a one-on-one basis. Having in-house engineers, I can contact one of S&D's mechanical engineers like I did this morning. I had a question about a power requirement for a piece of equipment, and I was able to send a message straight to the engineer so he could start working on the issue and finding a possible solution.
One of my favorite parts about design build is being presented with a problem by one of our clients and being able to go out, look at what issues they're having with our estimating teams and our construction teams, and coming up with a solution that solves their problem, supports their mission, and meets their budget. You know, we can spend countless hours putting things on paper, but seeing things come together in the field and working with our construction team to resolve issues and solve problems in the field when unforeseen conditions come up is really where you get the synergies of design build.
As a contractor with a lot of experience in this region, I personally prefer the design build method. We have an experienced engineering team in-house and a lot of expertise in both the field and project management departments, and because of that, we feel we're very well positioned to take on the risk of delivering on the owner's requirements and finding the most efficient and creative ways to reach them while helping the owner save money. It's a far more collaborative process where everyone's vested in the same outcome of the project and is more willing to help each other achieve that goal.
We are approximately about 80% through this phase of the job. It's a two-phase job. There's an existing bus garage facility currently next to us. When our maintenance building is complete, the staff and the equipment will move over to this facility. The existing building will be demolished and a parking garage will go up. Back to the phase one, we just received permanent power. We are about to receive permanent water, and then we will start flushing our hydronic systems ahead of cooling equipment startup. After that, we'll move right into our heating pipe loop flush and getting the system cleaned and ready for heating equipment startup. Once equipment started up, we can start doing pre-functional performance checkouts with our control subcontractors, which ultimately lead to commissioning and full functional testing of the equipment. This job is also LEED Platinum, and having design build helps us to achieve that a lot more efficiently. My experience with design build here with Shapiro and Duncan has been very positive and rewarding. It's a great opportunity to work one-on-one with our designers, keeping our quality intact, our core values. Shapiro and Duncan is one of the top mechanical contractors in our industry. It's fulfilling to have such a talented team, both with design engineers and project management staff, all our fabricators and designers, and especially the crew in the field. That's what makes everything special. It's all about teamwork, commitment, owner satisfaction.
Shapiro Duncan is the right partner for your design build project. We have an in-house engineering department who have completed countless design build jobs across multiple sectors.